it's actually not for them. It's for our loved ones. It's for our supporters who's been there since day one. Para po to sa kanila, sa mga nagmamahal sa amin at sa naniniwala sa amin.
That's good. But to clarify, just it's because, syempre, no, you fuel
They fuel our drive.
yeah.
Yes.
But the naysayers, like they fuel you as well.
They do naman.
That-
They do.
Yeah. But grabe, that was very, I don't know, you were disarmed and talagang you opened up saying that there was a time, I remember sinabi mo gagawin mong thesis tong topic na to, di ba?
Yes, pero I'm a regular, so wala pa ako sa course na yan.
Oo. But you plan to go on
I
and
plan
expand.
to cancel culture. Pero parang right now parang mas interesado ako sa hate. Kasi parang ang dali-dali magbigay ng hate lalo na pag online, people are easily agitated. Parang ang bilis nilang magalit. Parang di nila muna nadadigest kung ano yung nababasa nila before sila mag-react. And that's what I want to study.
Anong gusto mong message makuha nila about that? Siyempre, you guys are lahat, all eyes are on you. The entertainment space is, looking at you too.
I want people to know that behind these cell phones are actual people with real feelings. So we should be mindful of our words kasi hindi natin alam na tumatatak yan. And it can also cause mental health problems. Let's be mindful and let's be more sensitive.
Yes po.
Rap. Yun na
Yun
yung ganda.
Diba, detailed?
Oo.
Yun na po yung sinabi.
Oo. Pero at least kayong dalawa nga, no, talagang your focus is talagang ibang level sa para ma-reach nyo yung what's next, di ba? Na hopefully MMFF, di ba?
Sana po, yun po talaga pangarap namin. Pangarap namin makapag-entry ng movie sa MMFF. Tapos, kagaya po na sinabi ko kanina sa DMs namin, meron nakapin na
Magkaka-MF tayo.
this year. Klaro po sa amin yun na yun yung pangarap.
Goal po namin.
And speaking of, nag-trending kayo dahil sobrang galing. Di ba? Yung nyo, yung killing it, yung performance nyo dalawa.
Yeah, hindi po namin in-expect.
Sobrang kaba po kami nun kasi
Ha?
one day lang po yung
No.
one day lang
One day
tinuro
yun?
sa amin.
The day before.
The day before, tapos kinabukasan po, okay, run nyo isang beses, tapos pwede na yan. Tapos po yun, nagawa naman po namin. Kaso nakakakaba po kasi nanonood sila, Meme Vice, Pero Pascual,
Oh my God.
sila na din. So, lalo po nakakatakot mag-perform.
Nung una po, hindi ako kinakabahan.
Oo.
And then na-realize ko, it's not a regular audience. These are people in the industry talaga. Tapos parang biglang bumaliktad yung chan ko. Sabi ko, Rob,
Oo,
kinakabahan.
hindi po kami mapakali bago po namin sayawin yun. Tapos ang saya po nung natapos na kami, sobrang saya namin.
Ang yabang pa namin
Oo.
mag-perform.
Hindi, nagulat. Actually, alam naman namin gano'n kayo kagaling, pero yung binigay nyo sa stage was beyond our expectations. Grabe. Like, wow, we thought you've been
Thank you.
practicing for like a month. Honestly.
One
Kaya
day.
nagulat ako na one day.
3 hours.
Yeah, 3 hours.